Okay, so for this question here, a couple things you got to think about. The very first step you want to do is ID the question, and we know the question here is here. How much were her monthly payments? So we'll use M for month and then pay. So we're looking for the monthly payments. And the second thing we want to do is state your path with the information we've been given. How do we get back to the question? So we know that the car was $8,900. So we'll put C for car. We know the down payment was $900, so we'll put DP for the down payment. And we know that the loan was a 5-year loan. 5-year. And we know that it was 6.75% interest. Okay, so those are all the pieces we have. Now, so if she bought the car for $8,900, but she put $900 down, that means that the total amount she financed is $8,900 minus $900. So the total amount she financed was $8,000. Okay, so that's the first thing we have to recognize to do. So now we have $8,000 is the amount being financed. And then we have our interest equals principal times rate times time formula. So the principal is 8,000. The rate is 6.75%. So we got to move that decimal point over to convert the percent to a decimal. So we're going to get 0.0675. Then we're going to multiply that by 5, the time, 5 years. Okay, so I'm just going to put my calculator out here, and that's 8,000 times 0.0675 times 5, and you get 2,700. Now remember, that's interest. So the interest is 2,700. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take that interest and add it back into the principal. So the interest, 2,700, and add that back into the principal of 8,000. Okay, and then so we're going to get 10,700 is the total amount she's going to pay for that loan. Now we know that 5 years times 12 months in a year equal 60 payments she's going to make over the life of that loan. So now the math is pretty simple at this point. All you got to do is take that total amount, 10,700, and divide it by 60. And you're going to get $178.33. So now I'm going to erase the screen, but remember you can always rewind this video and see the work that I did here. But remember, the key is identifying the question and stating your path. If you do those two things, you have the best opportunity of getting the answer correct. So now that screen is erased, I'm going to go ahead and put in 178 monthly payments, and it shows you that the answer is correct. There it is.